HOMELAND is a high-end furniture manufacturer in China.
Located in Foshan, a systemic factory over 100,000 square meters with advanced intelligent technology. Additionally, it also covers a 30,000 square meter smart warehouse and a 50,000 square meters high-end flagship showrooms.
There are more than 500 experienced handcraft masters here, and they can finish over 5,000 pieces of furniture per month. HOMELAND has a strong and diligent R&D team.
Meanwhile, cooperates with worldwide outstanding designers for the long term in order to keep updating fast. Also, HOMELAND has 20 years of OEM and ODM experience, providing manufacturer services for over 100 big brands domestically and internationally.
From May 21st to 23rd, HOMELAND is coming to Dubai High Furniture Show. Let's see what is high-end handcraft made in China. See you there!